Good evening, folks. So, welcome to Pharmacy 101, where we will talk about everything related to pharmacy and everything that you know to excel and to develop your concepts in pharmacy. Being one of the medical degrees, it's not easy to develop new concepts and familiarize yourself with a lot of new terminologies, but we're here to make things easy. And today, this video is about all of the reference books that you can use to study the basic concepts and to develop foundation in pharmacy. So let's just get started. This first book that you see here on the right, I'll just zoom it to show you better. This is Clinical Pharmacy and Therapeutics by Roger Walker and Kate Whittlesea. This book is very useful and is full of learning material related to clinical pharmacy and therapeutics. So here you can expect to find the different classes of drugs discussed, their effects, side effects, mode of actions, their application in the clinical pharmacy, their use in different clinical settings, and everything related. So it will give you an overall comprehensive information about the various disease conditions and how you can manage them. Then the second book we have here is Hugo Russell's Pharmaceutical Microbiology. So being a pharmacy student, you're going to have to learn some of the microbiology courses because we're dealing with the microorganisms here, and to build your foundation concepts, this is a very good book. It will tell you about all of the different sterilization techniques, everything that is done in the field of microbiology, and what you need to know about all the different organisms so that we can devise drugs to help treat the diseases caused by them. Then we have this book, Lippincott's Illustrated Biochemistry. So it's all about the biochemicals, your proteins, carbohydrates, fats, and all of their chemical interactions in the body. So as you might know, that pharmacy is not only about science, it's about chemistry, it's about physics, it's about biology. So many of your courses will be based on biochemistry, and if you want to get some very useful information that is presented in an easy way, then you should definitely go for this one. Next we have this Atlas of Human Anatomy by Frank H. Netter. This one is one of my most favorite books because this has the complete atlas of human body. So if you want to see any of the organs, you want to study anatomy, you want to visualize each of the small nerves, capillaries, all of the bones, this book is your go-to guide. So whenever you're studying, open this up in front of you and you will be able to visualize where everything is happening in your body. Then this one. This is Guyton and Hall textbook of medical physiology. You might have heard of this already from your other medicine students and your friends in the field of medicine. So this one is basically for building fundamental concepts in physiology. So it will tell you, it has all those chapters that include detailed information on how the body works. Now we have this another book for clinical pharmacology, which is by Lange, and this one is one of my most favorite books. It has very comprehensive information on clinical pharmacy, all of the drug molecules, their effects, side effects, uses, doses. If you want to develop comprehensive understanding, if you want to build strong concepts, then I strongly recommend that you get this book. Now we have here another book. This is called Applied Biopharmaceutics and Pharmacokinetics. So these will be helpful for all of your pharmacokinetic courses. It's a bit difficult to understand, but once you grasp the important concepts, it will be very, very useful in building the foundation in pharmacokinetics. And if you go through the material thoroughly, then you will surely be able to develop foundational understanding in this field, in this subject. Now we have here Aulton's Pharmaceutics, the design and manufacture of medicines. So this has all of the topics related to pharmaceutics, designs of medicines, industrial pharmacy, operations, the equipments that are used in the industry, all of the aspects of the formulation design and development. So you can expect to find all of that information in here. And last, we have pharmaceutical dosage form and drug delivery systems. So in this book, you will find chapters related to drug delivery systems, the dosage forms, the different types of dosage forms that are available, how are these formulated, what are their characteristics, what are the advantages and non-advantages, and disadvantages of using those dosage systems. So this book will give you a comprehensive insight into all of those principles. So yes, that's about it for now. We have here all of the books that you would be needing to study pharmacy, to excel in it, and to grow as a pharmacist. Thank you, and please subscribe to our channel so that you can get notified about our future videos. Thank you.